So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Visual C++ 2013. And now once you run this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. You want to get both x86 and x64. We're going to tick both these boxes and then click on download. They should now both start downloading. If it says download multiple files, you want to click on allow, which will now download both of them. Now once they've both been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both these downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64, I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box I agree and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now we're going to install the other one. For me it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box I agree and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this again. For the last step, just restart your computer and you'll have them both installed. That's how you do it.